Hello, welcome back to Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing a quick look at, it's one that I really should have done, well, I tried to do as a unboxing video and lost the footage. I accidentally deleted it from my computer after I'd filmed it all, and only had the sound, so I couldn't really show you much on there. So we're doing a quick look at video for these. And here we have what we're looking at: Dungeons and Doggies, Adventures Unleashed Volume 1 and Volume 2. These are the dogs, as you might be able to guess. So let's have a look, shall we? Put the lids over there. We have 6 dogs in each set to look at. So the first dogs we get, we'll go with set number 1, and we have Cornelius the Golden Retriever Wizard, Tedric the Chihuahua Rogue, Cerise the St. Bernard Cleric, Svetlana the Beagle Barbarian, Morgaine the Dachshund Sorcerer, and Flint the Blue Hill Ranger. So let's have a look at the minis. I'm going to use that there so I can remember which one is which. And we'll start off in order that they are in the box. And this is Cornelius the Golden Retriever Wizard. Very nice sculpt, all the little details on this with all the little things he's carrying on his back, on the pouches and everything. And then we have Tedric the Chihuahua Rogue. Got a little dagger in his mouth by the look of it, or something in his mouth, I'm not sure what. A wand, or I've no idea. Can't really tell, but it is a tiny, tiny mini. And then we have the big beastie Cerise, the St. Bernard Cleric. Lovely, lovely sculpts on these. Like all of them, all of the sculpts on these particular sets have been really, really nice. Very happy with all of them. Now we have Svetlana, the Beagle Barbarian. Once we get it in focus, with the big axe there. And then who do we have left? Morgaine, the Dachshund Sorcerer, once I can get them out of the box. That's the Dachshund Sorcerer. Looking forward to painting these. How good I'm going to be with getting the markings right, I don't know, but we'll find out. And finally we've got Flint the Blue Hill Ranger. I'll have to look at what the colours are like on these dogs before I actually start painting, because I'm not sure with a lot of them, especially with the cats, because there's lots of variation in colour. So I want to pick a colour that not only is okay to paint, but I can actually do. But we will see as time goes on. So that's set number 1, and we'll pop that back over there. And now set number 2, and in this set we have Montague the Cocker Spaniel Bard, Nightingale the Pomeranian Monk, Tobias the Corgi Warlock, Freya the German Shepherd Druid, Hartley the French Bulldog Fighter, and Cassandra the Husky Paladin. Not sure whether husky refers to her voice or whether it's the breed, but I know it's the breed. Let's start off with Montague, the Cocker Spaniel bird. All right round. Lovely. Again, there's none of these sculpts have been bad that I've had so far. This is Nightingale, the Pomeranian monk. Look at the face on there. All this fur detail is going to pick up the paint really nicely. And got the front paw up to show some form of martial arts technique. And then we have Tobias, the that's not Tobias. That's Tobias. I picked up the wrong one then. That's Tobias. That's the Corgi Warlock. You wouldn't associate a Corgi for being a Warlock, would you? I don't know, I wouldn't have. But there's a lot of detail to pick out on these. Next we have Freya, the German Shepherd Druid. There we go. And again, the amount of detail that all the things is carrying. Brilliant the way it's done. And then we'll have Hartley, the French Bulldog Fighter. We'll get there eventually. There we are. And then finally we have Cassandra, the Husky Paladin. So yeah, you get more than one different variation, or you get more than one of each class of character. So you can make your mind up as to whether you want to be a Great Dane. No, it's not a Great Dane, was it? It was a, what do you call it? Oh, that was a cleric. This is a paladin. No, I think there is another. I think there is another cleric. Or in this case, paladin. In one of the other boxes. I may be wrong. I can't remember. Been a while since I did these, but just taking a little bit of time to let you see what we have with these minis. But I do like them. Hopefully it won't be long before we manage to get a game on these. Obviously it'll have to be unpainted, but at least we'll get a game in. But that's it for Animal Adventures, Tales of Dungeons and Doggies. This is, as I say, Volume 1 and Volume 2. We have Volume 3 that we opened up a while ago because there's a particular model I wanted out of that one. So I got that one first. But we've got them all now for the original set. Now it's just a case of getting the minis and everything for the longer campaign, which is called Secrets of Gullet Cove. These really were released for the starter set and as companions for your characters in D&D, but there is now a bigger campaign that they've done, and we can start off getting the minis for those as well. But that's all it's time for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.